Right now, your brain is under attack. Not by hackers or viruses, but by you. Every distraction you indulge, every sugary meal you inhale, every vague goal you tolerate, it's slowly turning your mind into a cluttered, anxious wasteland. But in the next 10 minutes, I'll show you how to unfuck your brain permanently. 3 laws, 0 fluff. And if you ignore this, you'll stay stuck in the same cycle of burnout, procrastination, and mediocrity. Let's begin. Law number 1, clarity is power. Let's dissect exactly how clarity rewires your brain for success. Most people fail not because they're lazy, but because their goals are as fuzzy as a static TV channel. You wouldn't trust a GPS that says, drive somewhere nice. So why let your brain wander aimlessly? Here's how to fix it. Your brain is wired to prioritize one mission at a time. Neuroscientists call this selective attention. When you zero in on a single target, your mind filters out distractions like a spam folder. But try chasing 5 goals, you'll spread your focus thinner than dollar store toilet paper. So pick one non-negotiable. Not get rich or be healthy. Get specific. Save $10,000 in 90 days. Lose 20 pounds by Thanksgiving. Write it down. Every damn morning. Why? Writing activates the prefrontal cortex, the CEO of your brain, turning vague wishes into actionable commands. Miss a day? You're telling your brain it's optional, and optionality is the enemy of mastery. Here's the brutal truth. Your brain isn't weak, it's under siege. Apps are engineered to hijack your dopamine receptors, keeping you in a loop of craving, not achieving. Every ping, swipe, and just one more episode trains your mind to crave chaos, not clarity. And the cost? A 2023 Stanford study found that chronic multitaskers have the cognitive control of a sleep-deprived toddler. Your fix? Declare war on distractions. Delete social apps after 7 p.m. Use website blockers. Turn your phone grayscale. You're not missing out. You're reclaiming your brain's bandwidth, because clarity isn't about doing more. It's about ignoring more. After 7 days of ruthless prioritization, something shifts. Your brain starts automating progress. Think of it like muscle memory. The first day you bench press, it's agony. By day 30, your body expects it. Same with focus. Suddenly you'll wake up craving that morning journal session. Ideas will flow. Opportunities will magnetize. Why? Clarity breeds momentum, and momentum breeds inevitability. But this only works if you protect your goal like it's the last vaccine dose in a zombie apocalypse. Let distractions creep in, you'll reset to square one. The choice is yours. Surrender to the chaos, or become the 1% who control their attention. Warning, even with clarity, 92% of people fail here. Why? Because they ignore law number 2. Up next, the invisible force that separates millionaires from mediocrity. Hint, it's not talent, and it's definitely not luck. Law number 2, consistency beats genius every single time. You know why most talented people never make it? Because talent without consistency is like a rocket ship with no fuel. It looks impressive, but it's going nowhere. And if you're relying on motivation, you've already lost. Here's the truth. Your brain is wired to resist change. It loves comfort. It loves shortcuts. And it will sabotage you with excuses like, I'll start tomorrow, or I'm not feeling it today. But here's the secret. Consistency isn't about motivation. It's about rebellion. Rebellion against your own excuses. Let me hit you with science. The 1% rule. Improve by just 1% every day, and in a year, you'll be 37 times better. But here's where Americans fail. They treat discipline like a fad diet. Day 1, obsessed. Day 3, distracted. Day 7, back to Netflix. Sound familiar? Yeah, thought so. That's why you need a system, not a spark of inspiration. Your move, block 90 minutes every day for your goal, not when you have time. Every damn day. Protect that time like it's your firstborn child. Cancel meetings, silence notifications, and if someone interrupts, tell them you're in a fight club for your future. Here's the magic. After 14 days, your brain stops resisting. It starts craving that 90-minute block. Why? Because consistency rewires your neural pathways. It turns effort into habit and habit into identity. You're not trying to be disciplined, you are disciplined. But if you skip just one day, you're telling your brain that failure is an option, and guess what? It will start negotiating. Maybe tomorrow, just this once. But I'm tired. That's your mediocrity talking. Crush it. Now imagine this, 30 days from today, you've shown up every single day, not perfectly, but persistently. Your goal isn't a dream anymore, it's a habit, it's a heartbeat, and that momentum, it's unstoppable. But there's one final law you need to lock this in. Law number 3 isn't about your mind, it's about your fuel. And if you're still feeding yourself garbage, even consistency won't save you. Next up, the invisible killer of focus and how to eliminate it in 72 hours. Law number 3, you are what you ingest. Not just food, everything you consume. Let me explain. Your brain is a supercomputer, and right now you're feeding it garbage. Sugary snacks, processed meals, endless scrolling. It's like pouring sludge into a Ferrari engine and wondering why it won't perform. Here's the hard truth. If your diet is trash, your mind will be too. Studies show that within 72 hours of eating clean, your focus sharpens, your mood stabilizes, your energy surges. But most people never make it past day 3 because they're still hooked on the quick fixes, the caffeine crashes, the late night Uber Eats, the I'll start Monday excuses. So here's your protocol. For the next 30 days, eat like your goals depend on it. Because they do. Prioritize protein. Hydrate like it's your job. Ditch seed oils and processed carbs. This isn't a diet, it's a system upgrade, but food is just the start. What about the other toxins you ingest? The negative news cycles, the toxic relationships, the environments that drain you. Every input shapes your mindset, and your mindset shapes your reality. Clean your inputs, and you'll unlock mental clarity you didn't know was possible. Still skeptical? Try this. For 1 week, cut out sugar, alcohol, and social media. Replace them with whole foods, water, and 10 pages of a book daily. By day 7, you'll feel like a different person. By day 30, you'll wonder how you ever tolerated the old version of yourself. But here's the catch. Even if you master clarity and consistency, you'll self-sabotage if you ignore this final law. Your body and mind are not separate, they're partners. Treat one poorly and the other pays the price.
Love this mind hack? Take a second, like and subscribe, and let's climb higher and higher every week.